the intro for once. Oh no? Hey guys, it's Maddie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in what, Bartown Sea Castle? Yeah. So today guys, we have a really fun video. Actually thought that this video wouldn't work out at first, but it ended up working out. So we'll be cooking down by the seaside later. So now we already ordered our fish from the fisherman. So now we're heading to get some seasoning because we're gonna make ESCOVITCH fish. So we're gonna get like onions, paprika, what else? Pepper, carrots, vinegar. Hopefully they have all that good stuff here. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. We're going to the little shop around the corner here. Yeah, this is where the restaurant is. Burn out. Not here, so no. Wow.
I don't know. I think the red one is.
So guys, we just got our ingredients. The water is for mommy. I'm not sure yet if we make fried dumpling because without baking powder it doesn't make sense to make fried dumpling. So let's see how that goes. How much are them?
Maybe about 15 or so.
Wow, that's nice.
Alright. We have chop gun, snapper, more snapper, shad, more snapper and shad.
Wow.
Okay?
So no parrot in the mix.
No parrot. No get no parrot to doctor.
Okay.
No parrot in the mix. No get no parrot.
No problem.
Yeah. Sometimes we can do better than just take what we get in it.
It's true.
Yeah. Really steal the book.
Whoa! That's just like a beard crab.
Yeah, just a buckle stopper and a piece of stick. Easiest way to scale fish, you know?
Okay.
And most economical scale too, you know?
Wow. I didn't even know about that.
And I tell you, there's some mystical thing going on somewhere. Yeah. So easy, innit?
try and scale the fish. Than with the knife. What? Why fishing while you're going in the sun? Sarah, come closer. Stay further out. He's saving his boat. Catch him saving his boat. Tie it up. Came up on the shore of this area. True?
Yeah.
And I scared two fish.
How we go?
It was easy.
Easy,
Better than
man.
the knife.
Yeah, man. Way better than a knife and easy.
Watch out, man. Back up, look. Water.
My girl, I'm saved you here.
You came.
Hey,
You know Moses. My girl, I'm saved you.
How come?
Come and go give him some vanilla while ago in the car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why you bring Joseph? Aww. Guys, he brought me a Capri Sun. She not
I catch fish. You catch any?
Oh, you done work?
My estimate.
How was it? You look tired.
Ready?
Hey, bring that drink. That's so
One
nice.
of house, but I see one of house. It's mommy.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me something.
Yeah. I'll go get some flour. Up here for an aisle. Somebody they didn't have no baking powder.
Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Make your milk.
I don't know. Oh, you get the breadfruit then?
Yeah, I'm not just remove it.
Okay.
Go get bread.
Alright.
Well, you can get the... I forget milk in it.
Okay.
Cold milk.
What's up?
Yeah. Baking powder.
I said, come with you up, so?
Huh?
Where you go?
Body shop, this one.
Yeah, go by the shop.
Where?
We can go shop.
Come here from there, go.
Oh yeah, go back up. Let's go.
I say, no good. That's how we got that shop.
Yes, I'm ready.
that's when I get it. So I bring it from home.
Come down. Kita come down here. Sudah?
Baking powder.
Kita come sudah?
Yeah, my powder. I go film the video. So we will get the flour, our else milk, you say?
Yeah.
Baking powder. Salt.
Yeah.
What else?
And the cooking
Flour.
oil.
Cooking oil, yeah. We must have that. Alright, come let's go back. We got our little scaling footage. Say hi. I'm nervous. You have another, will you get another one or should we just work it out?
Every Sunday.
The carrots, that was for the carrots.
Yeah.
So I should leave that for you.
Yeah, we do that.
So I do the rest. Should I start seasoning up the fish or you already?
Yeah, in the pot.
Oh, they already seasoned.
Yeah.
So I can just do what we can do without you.
Yeah.
Do what we can do without you. Okay.
I ain't gonna stay long. I'm just
So guys, you better start commenting how I start. Why? Hello, Mr. Shield. Never seen me. It's weird when I'm not the one filming. Just turning off and use his camera to do the vlogging. His camera is way fancier. Don't need my camera.
Whatever you need, I'll do it. It's fine.
Guys, how do I start the fire?
How do you start a fire?
Usually I'm not in the videos, you know, for your information. I used to get some small twigs and some dry
No, me, I say usually I'm not the one in the videos, the two of them. So don't see
oil and then you take
Okay, go on again, go on again.
Where you go?
Go on again, how do you start a fire?
I start the fire by collecting some small twigs, anything dry like dry leaf or dry bush something, and then I put some kerosene oil on top of it, light it with the lighter, hope for the best, and once the fire catches up, I put some bigger pieces on top of it. And we're ready for cook. That sound good?
Yeah.
Or you start a fire?
Well, let's see. Guess I can't. I guess I can't.
Sorry, Marsha, because you know what?
You will stay up for a while. Sir, I said I'm not a part of the video.
Well, you are today.
It's not the day to be shy.
You are today. Hush. Hush.
Pardon me?
Where are we today?
I have a question. Close to Sea Castle and close to Lilywood.
Okay. So what are we going to be doing today?
Hopefully we'll eat some fish and get some fried dumplings, I suppose. I thought it was about a lot of flour. A fried dumpling we gonna get? Yes. Oh, my favorite anyway. And some fried fish, right? Or ESCOVITCH?
ESCOVITCH is fried.
Oh, okay. So that's like what we're gonna get.
Vibes.
You like fish?
I like fish. I had a lot of fish.
with milk. When with the milk, it's more flavor.
Guys, you get to see the vlog in the
It's ready. We need with the flavor Lasco, with vanilla. Lasco.
Yeah, man.
Lasco.
Man.
So you need it with the flavor Lasco.
They have done
Need
it
the
all
flour.
wrong.
We mix the water and knead the flour. Fry with a nice taste.
I remember that, I keep that in mind. But that means that we have to get some Lasco.
Yeah.
Because we can buy Lasco there, Germany.
Vanilla Lasco. Any Lasco flavor. Okay? Mix it and knead it in the flour.
Come in.
Fry it and taste.
Go on your way, miss.
Cannot lose.
You can say our dumplings are just the ordinary style.
Not ordinary dumplings, special dumplings.
Can I help you, sir?
You want more we make us also the ordinary.
Okay. We got ordinary dumplings. Ordinary dumplings just bacon.
Nice.
And with the butter.
But this gentleman come across as a good YouTuber. You could be a good YouTuber, no?
Yeah, man. I'm like that.
So when you make it your channel, sir?
Yeah.
When would you make your channel? They're successful spearfishing channels.
Man. That talented man, you know. Yeah, man. Full of talent. They are drinking one jagan, you know.
When would you start your own channel?
Let's go on now.
When would you start your own channel?
Like relaxing, relaxing.
You know, this is the rarest coral on the Caribbean Sea.
I'm not a...
Rarest sea stone this in the Caribbean Sea. And it comes in big junks too. It's blue. Yeah.
It looks like a crystal.
Yeah, it's blue.
Is it a crystal?
Yeah, I found bigger junks of this. You know? Bigger junks.
Is it heavy?
Look. You see them? They're blue. Rarest coral
You don't go the right path.
in the Caribbean.
Right here, sir.
Move away from the island. It sounds dangerous.
Thing you afraid of.
You don't go the right path.
Let me be.
It's a big hunk, innit? This just need to be clean. See?
But
It's
this
blue.
one don't look as blue as your one.
No, because look inside here.
Ah, you cut it open.
Yeah, you see?
So you find that one in the water.
Yeah.
Because we used to let them change color once them out here and then
Yeah,
just
yeah.
white.
Once you put it, once you get wet or anything, man,
Right here.
you know, it turn back well blue.
That,
You see?
that,
Try that for the peoples.
the rubbish, the black rubbish. Yeah, we go to the rubbish with a picture one. We go to the rubbish. You got to take it on a profession.
Alright, I'll show you guys. But whatever you see back, we're looking back.
Put some seeds now. Put some seeds on the video. Which one? One there?
Man!
Try one anyway.
I'm very tempted, but if I try, I'm gonna be too hungry.
Be too hungry. Try one,
You
man.
take the flour here, no? You take the flour here.
Have you bought it by the shop?
Where you get the flour?
By the shop?
Yeah.
Fine, then carry flour.
By the shop, people.
Dumpling them look nice. Mommy no love. So guys, time to eat. We're sharing out the food. Who is that? This is for mommy. I'm trying to put so much pepper. Mommy, how much dumplings? Okay, just like that. There you go. Is there one more? It's working on the next one. Oh, here's one more. It's Sarah. Sarah, look.
of the bones.
A lot of peppers.
Dispose of the bones properly because they'll joke you say man if you wear go without makeup
Oh yeah.
in the sand.
So put the bones far away, guys.
Yeah, so secure the bones. And I'll dispose of them later time.
Sarah,
Thank you.
welcome. Where's the You want me to chef here? Yeah, eat
Yeah,
it.
man. Do it, other man.
Who want next? You? Yeah, eat from the camera with you, right?
I can't eat any of the flour.
Can you eat any of the flour?
Why?
Lactose intolerant.
Because of the milk. Oh Lord.
Milk?
And you're not carrying DPH. Because DPH good enough. You know though?
Yeah, but we're not
Yeah,
gonna try it.
man, for those people who without can't take flour, milk, DPH.
I will not be able to survive it, you know? The last time I tried it, it was not pretty at all, I tell you.
Yeah, so it's good.
Enjoy. Put yours here. Your turn now. You have any more left from the pot cover? You can get this today.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you can get this today. Your next one. So that one look small. See?
You say share your own already?
Yeah.
She make sure she share hers first.
I got you.
Best.
Best
Me see for the
share.
longest time.
Remember the lady from the shop? My promise I said.
Oh, you promise? Yeah. The promises we make today. See how it goes.
But people promise money live dumpling.
Yes, true, guys. Look up to the one, talk fast.
One tree, you know.
Three.
Yeah.
We have.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Alright, so time to try the food. Then is a pack here around cooking.
You want one fork? Because I'm not use fork.
Listen, we don't need no fork.
But you can get a fork too.
It's alright. Gone bad. We don't start. Can we just make, guys? Oh god. Hello, sir.
Food is there.
We're filming.
They have in years.
Yeah?
Not to try fish yet.
What was that, Gabby?
What you say, Mama, is the best fish I got?
Best fish since years.
Yes, man.
Years,
Fisher,
many
man.
years.
Fresh.
This is the kind of fish that is back home in Germany.
Yes. Fisherman over there?
Germany.
Yes.
Turn up the music then. Turn it down. Turn it down. Turn down the music. That's the last meal for us, you know, the last spectacular meal in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Is it too pepper for you? Is it too pepper for you?
Yeah.
Too pepper. No, the fish is not pepper, but this is pepper.
Like it, huh?
Oh, so it's pepper, so you just eat it, you know? These guys.
Walk out. Yeah. You know, to just say,
And down with the dumpling plate.
yeah.
Oh god.
The bees are too much fish too, you know.
Can we do this for breakfast again tomorrow? This is too good. Every day fish till we go back home.
Yeah, order them in Germany too.
That would be a dream.
7 to 12
We
business
can do this
days.
3 times daily, 4 times on Sundays.
Delivery service to Germany. Have you set up something like that?
I haven't set up something at all.
Boy, the fried dumpling, they look so...
When I come to Miami, man, you come to Germany.
Small fish.
Oh, big fish. These fish.
What is about the fish?
When you get bigger. So you catch
This fish come like it a jack, but it's a shad.
I mean, no John.
Yeah, it's shad, it's shine. Shad fish. You get very big. Big fish. It's very nice, huh? So these fish are now.
Just let me have it.
What you eat fish are now? You have to eat off the head first, no?
I can't eat the head. That's one thing I can't eat. You can't manage to eat the head.
Come on, mommy, give it a go. But
No
It is the
way.
nicest
No
part.
guys,
of it.
comment that she should try the
I
head.
know she wants to eat the
No, man, just try it, man.
No, man.
Look like this. Look, put me on the camera.
Do it for the vlog, man. Do it for the vlog.
Yes, man.
Sing, go show you
I'm a
first.
fisherman, you know. So I can teach you to eat this fish. You see this fish? You hold him like this and just bite it up the head.
Wow. Alright, the balalam.
Everything gone up.
It's really nice. It's just me eating life.
Really?
Yes, man.
As a fisherman, you say that.
I'm a fisherman.
That's a compliment to the chef.
Yeah, man.
Chop.
Chef. Here. Alright, hello, chef.
Shush.
And you met the dumpling. Yeah, true. Sorry. Sorry, too far.
Yeah.
So he's the fish chef and he's the dumpling chef.
Chef, a hot, nice rain, my boy. Chef, turn up.
Nice, that's all.
What?
You know, after night, that's nice. No?
Bebble.
One hot.
No, after nice one.
What is it? Of course, too.
Put pepper and fish already that you can't eat it.
But you're mad.
The dog, it's absolutely delicious.
No, but he's gonna jump.
Very long square, huh?
Skip it. Hey, behave yourself.
You have to jump it.
Behave.
You have to jump it up where
So
it
guys,
is.
thank you all for
You take it
joining
out there, you know.
our first live. Part 1 and part 2. We appreciate it very much. And yes, we do. Please, they have them follow, please.
Hungry dogs are hungry dogs.
We're hungry. We're also like orange again.
Got any video, you know?
Yeah, time for any video. So guys, we made it to the end of our video cooking on the beach side. This was a success, I would say, not true?
Yeah, at Success Beach.
Success Beach, I call it too.
Yeah, this is Success Beach.
So this is a success at Success Beach. Or this was a success at Success Beach. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. See you next time. Peace! Mommy, where your peace there? Peace! 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 We don't instinct, mommy. Right in the bush. This is really the bush. I was not expecting this. I thought we were just walking up the road. There was no whining before us. We know how to start the bush. Down the bush. Woo! A bun bush. Yeah, there was something. Guys, come with us through the jungle. Trying to find the beach. It's guiding us to a nice beach location. What do you call it? Hidden places. Oh, okay, Batman. It's a Batman beach this. Okay, we made it to Batman beach then. We know this place. How do we know that?
Police station.
Watch here. Okay, water run from the wall. Watch it. Right, so. Watch it. Run. come? Watch it. Who that come? Yeah, man, it's a walk, man. I say,
come again?
Watch it, walk. Watch it. I walk on the wall and come right now. Verse is harder. Come up hard. Yeah, man, wait up in everybody. Yeah, just wait up in take off the slippers. The moment you take off the slippers, you walk in the sun. You feel the sun, the prettiness of the sun. Oh, it's nice. You know? Yeah, man. The site up there. Yeah, man. Walk here every morning, go do the dishes, you know? Very sure. Yeah.
Oh, so you leave right from here, so? So when you catch the fish, what you do with it? No, but when you catch one fish, what you do?
No, we come back up and the water comes up and let the white.
Mr. Buzz. I'm rolling in this car. You take one feed it. May I see it? May I see it? See you take feed it. May I see you take feed it? Y'all can get drone pictures if you want.
So guys, we made it to the end of our video. I would say it was a success here at Success Beach, cooking on the beach. Food was so yummy. So please like, share, subscribe, comment down.